Monday, August 16th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you on a warm and muggy, very early Monday morning. And whenever during the course of this Monday you're watching this video, warm, muggy kind of sums it up. We'll see highs 90, 91 degrees in most spots this afternoon, and there'll be the chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms as we go through the afternoon into the evening hours today. Also, maybe some regeneration of the old remnant low of Tropical Depression number 5. I'll get into that, and plus take a deeper look out into maybe the tropics getting a little more active here over the next 10 days or so. Let me show you, first of all, the watch, warning, and advisory situation this morning. And again, lots of heat advisories from parts of Texas and Louisiana, Mississippi, and western Alabama. In those areas, there'll be heat index values over 105 degrees again this afternoon. These are our actual temperatures. These are 4 a.m. Eastern Time temperatures, and you look down off to the south and west, you have places like Memphis and Dallas and Houston still at least close to 80 degrees or so this morning. Pretty ugly stuff. All right, on the radar imagery, pretty quiet across the Carolinas this morning. There's been a couple showers and storms around Fripp Island and Hunting Island down towards Savannah. And then this activity in the Gulf of Mexico, that is with the remnant low that was once Tropical Depression number 5. And that is heading west. I'll get into a lot of details on that here toward the end of this video. Stay tuned. This is the upper air chart today, and you'll notice sort of a common theme in the upper air modeling here as we go through the next 10 days or so. Notice that ridge centered over Texas instead of over the southeast. Let's go out all the way to Thursday morning. And generally sort of a zonal flow across the northern half of the United States, and then we go out a little bit deeper into time. This is Monday evening of next week, so about a week or so from now. And again, the ridge is toward the desert southwest and the western plains, and a trough trying to carve itself out in the eastern United States. So I don't think we see oppressive levels of heat this week. We'll be looking at a lot of highs in the lower 90s, even upper 80s range, so more of a tolerable heat, but the humidity level is still sky high pretty much all week long. All right, here you go. This is the GFS today. I think as we get into this afternoon, we're going to see some scattered showers and storms as a cold front slowly drops into the area. That front will actually stall out as we get into tomorrow and Wednesday, so we'll maintain pretty good chances for scattered showers and storms. Highs again tomorrow, 90 degrees or so. Let's go on out to Wednesday. And I will mention pretty good chances still for scattered thunderstorms. Highs maybe a little cooler Wednesday with a little better coverage of showers and storms. Highs maybe a lot of upper 80s Wednesday. And the GFS, to some extent, and especially the European, kind of give us an indication of a decrease in the coverage of storms by Friday and the weekend. This is Thursday. Here's Friday. And the GFS briefly gives us a little bit of a decrease in coverage. The European actually has us completely dry Friday and Saturday, but just because of the time of year and because I don't think we're going to see any really sweeping air mass changes, I will maintain Friday, Saturday there, and Sunday I'll maintain the chance of at least a few scattered thunderstorms. Maybe that changes as we get toward early next week if we do get that trough diving in that might try to sweep things out, but the timing of that remains to be seen. All right, in the tropics, again, northern Gulf of Mexico, the NHC has outlined that remnant low of Tropical Depression 5, the medium category becoming reclassified as a tropical system. That's the satellite imagery this morning, and the area to focus on is right here. Actually, you look at the radar imagery, you can see there's still a pretty well-defined circulation with this. It's back over the water, so I think there's a decent chance, at least, that the NHC decides to pull the trigger and reclassify this thing. This is going to head west, generally speaking, toward Louisiana. I don't think it's going to become a huge tropical system if it does get classified, but it could become certainly a tropical depression, maybe a tropical storm, as it makes that westward trek. The strongest modeling in terms of intensification with this, of the dynamical models here, is the Hurricane Wharf, and it takes it maybe as a weak tropical storm into southeastern Louisiana less than 2 days from now. Now, I wanted to show you this. This is way out in time now. This is 156 hours away, so we're really looking toward this weekend or so. And this is the GFS, and what I want to show you, look out here in the Atlantic Ocean. A lot of the modeling is picking up on some development finally out here, as it looks like we may begin to see the African wave train kick up. Some of the other indices we look at have been supporting that transition around the second half of August for a while, and it looks like the modeling really is picking up on that now. That's the GFS. Here is the no gaps. Notice out there in the Atlantic, it's picking up on some tropical activity, and also you get out here on the Canadian, same deal. Looks like the tropics trying to come to life here as we go, especially anywhere from 3 or 4 days from now out in the Atlantic until the following week. So maybe the tropics are getting a little bit more activity associated with them as we get toward the end of August. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great Monday, and God bless.